Hi everyone, this is just a quick public service announcement for those of you who are not subscribed to my email list so that you will get this announcement that there is a flash sale starting right now at reddesertviolin.com where subscription courses are 60% off the first month and individual payment courses are 30% off. It's really quite a good discount. You don't want to miss it. So come on over to reddesertviolin.com. And while you're there, sign up for my email list so that you will get these announcements. Also new at Red Desert Violin is private consultations with moi. You'll find that on the home page. No more waiting lists. I'm saving chunks of time to be available for private consultations. Also, there's a workshop coming up. I'll get the word out through YouTube, through my email list. The workshop will be on fiddle topics, and then a separate workshop on violin technique. People have been anticipating those workshops. In fact, we did a live one and it was a hoot, and people asked for an online one. So that's coming. I now have a Patreon account. You can find the link down in the video description box below. And I now have a merch store as well, so you can get t-shirts and hats with my cool logo on them. Okay, but the biggest news is that flash sale because it's only on for 72 hours. So come on over to reddesertviolin.com. Hope to see you there.